in delivering on the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President. Welcome to the NELFUND Student Loan Application Guide. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate the NELFUND portal to successfully apply for your student loan. First, go to www.nelf.gov.ng. Click on Apply Now to start creating your account. You'll need your matric number, National Identification Number, NIN, and JAMB registration number. Fill in your details to verify your eligibility. Confirm your citizenship, select your institution, and input your matric number. Then, verify your JAMB details by entering your registration number and date of birth. Once your details are verified, proceed to create your account. Enter your email address and set a secure password. A verification link will be sent to your email. Click on it to finalize your account setup. Log in with your new account, and afterwards, complete your profile by entering your contact information, educational details, bank details such as bank verification number BVN, name of the bank, and account number. Now you're ready to apply for a loan. Click to apply for student loan and choose whether you want an upkeep loan or just the institutional charges. It's important to note that the upkeep loan is contingent upon the student taking the institutional charges loan. Without the institutional fees, the upkeep loan cannot be given. Once this requirement is met, upload the required documents like your admission letter and agree to the terms and conditions. Then, submit your application. After submitting, you can track your application status by clicking on Proceed to Student Loan button. If you run into any issues, get in touch through our Contact Us link or via our social media platforms at NELFUND. Our support team is here to help. Thank you for using NELFUND. We're here to support your educational journey every step of the way. NELFUND, increasing access to higher education.